line.
Well, we're in a drag race between the new BMW M5 Touring and a Lamborghini Urus. Well, I'm going to find out by racing them over the standing quarter mile. I'm Matt Watson, you're watching Carwow. This is going to be an interesting race because you would think that that SUV is the heaviest car, but it's not. It's 2.2 tonnes. This is 2.5 tonnes because it's a plug-in hybrid. So it does have more power than the Lamborghini, but we'll see how this plays out right now. If you want to compare the car's stats, then just pause the video to see the stat screen. Right, let's go.
3, 2, 1.
Neck and neck off the line. This is close. Come on, BMW! Oh, we're edging ahead now. I think I might have had a bit of a better launch than him, which paid dividends.
He's just barely winning.
There we go, it's a win for the Beamer. However, it's not over yet because we're going to do best 3 out of 5. And if he can get a better launch, it could be close.
So, how is that for you, Shawnee?
I thought I had you at the start then. I can definitely do better than that.
Well, we shall see, we shall see. First though, we're going to do some other races. So I'll meet you back down on the line. Okay, now we're going to have a rolling race. We're going to do it in comfort mode for the drivetrain, automatic mode of the gearbox. Going to roll in at 50, race over the half mile. I'll go 3, 2, 1, go. Quickest car wins. 3, 2, 1, go. Carbon hybrid. I thought it would do more torque fill. Doesn't matter. This is faster.
He's just getting me.
Yes, that's what I'm talking about. The M5 having some victories. Right, I thought my car would shoot off a little bit quicker than that, but I think yours bogged down as well on the gear change too, didn't it?
Yeah, it did. I thought I had you at first and then you just come right past me.
Okay, Sean, what we're going to do now is put the car into their sportiest setting and we're going to go for manual change of the gearbox, all right? Same thing again, 50 miles an hour over the half mile. 3, 2, 1, go. Blimey, that pickup was great. And it's really getting dropped. I thought this would be closer.
It's got me again.
It's miles behind. Oh, Sean, that was a bit of an embarrassment. I bet when you put your foot down, there's a bit of turbo lag, wasn't there?
Yeah, it felt like it.
I guess this car made it even more exaggerated because the motor just hides the turbo lag. It just goes straight ahead because of that electric motor. It might not help me so much now because we're going to be doing a rolling start from 10 miles an hour, so this car's added weight could go against it. I'll see you back on the start line.
I need to win at least one, don't I?
Okay, let's do this. So roll in, 10 miles an hour, first gear, race over the half mile. See if my advantage is quite so big this time.
3, 2, 1.
Or is it always miles behind? I think this is going to be a whitewash. We'll see in the drag race. Tell me, Sean, tell me, did you cock that up at all?
No, my gear changes were quite good then. There was no mess up on it.
Oh my God. I mean, that shows the hybrid benefit, doesn't it?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, but we're going to see the downside of the hybridness now. We're going to brake test, oh dear. When we reach the line, full emergency stop. Car that stops in the shortest distance wins. Will it be me? Will it be Sean? Or would you rather watch another drag race with M5? Click up there. Here comes the line. I care about this a lot. I'll tell you what, BMW has really improved the brakes on the M5 with this latest generation. I mean, they needed to because it's a big heavy hybrid, but wow, that really bit hard. How was it for you, darling?
It's quite intense actually, all that weight stopping so quickly.
I think it's a bit tougher for you as well because you're a higher car, so it pitches more. This is getting to be a clean sweep for the BMW. Can you redeem something now by having a decent drag race? I need to win 2 more races and then it's game over completely for you. Can BMW thrash a Lamborghini?
I need to win at least one, don't I?
He does. Now before you race, let's do a sound check. So we're going to rev up this BMW. I can set some fake noise coming through the speakers. At least there's no soft limiter. Let's have a listen to yours, Sean. That's more angry, definitely more angry. And it's the older Urus as well, so there's less noise deadening stuff. All right, enough. I think you won that, so you have won something. Let's see if you can win a drag race. Now, if you're thinking about buying a performance car, maybe BMW, maybe something else, you can do that through Carwow. You can click on the pop-out banner, scan the QR code, follow the link in the description to go and browse the latest offers on Carwow. You might be surprised. Anyway, you might be surprised at how Sean performs. Let's do it.
3, 2, 1.
Oh. Why didn't it launch properly? Didn't get to launch control. So I was a bit late on it. So with this BMW, you want to like engage launch late boost. It doesn't perform as well. Not boost at the last minute. Launch like a brake boost, and then it wanted me to change gear. I had all the excuses then as to why I lost. Let's go again quickly. I'm not going to tell you what they are. In fact, they're boring. They're bored everyone. So I don't want to bore you as well, Sean.
I thought I jumped then with how far behind you were, to be honest.
Right, we shall see this time, my friend. Wait a minute. It's one each. That's one each then, isn't it? Oh dear.
3, 2, 1.
It's not doing the bloody launch. I know why it didn't do it. It wasn't because I was too late. I needed the stability control off. Now it'll do it.
3, 2, 1.
Much better.
Come on, Lambo.
In his ahead. Come on, BMW. You can pull it back.
Come on.
Oh, where's the finish?
It's just at this point, he just speeds up too much.
Got him. My goodness, that was close.
Oh, that was close. That was really close, that one.
Right, it's best 3 out of 5. 2, 1 to me. Let's go again. I think I might be able to wrap you up here.
It looks like I'm going to win, and then you just, out of nowhere around the 100-mile mark, you just come past me.
It's my driving skill. I've got, just that little bit extra. Why does it do that? Ow. So if I can do that again. Nah. Oh, there it is. It's like this tank slapper on the car.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, I got a good launch there.
Come on.
Oh, he's not gaining on me there. And he's not anymore.
It's at this point every time, he just gets that little bit further ahead.
Oh, bye, Sean. It was a nice try. That is actually the very best launch I've ever had out of this M5. It's performing today. Some days it doesn't perform so well. Today it's performing very well. Very pleased with it. Listen, you didn't have a chance in the end, did you?
No, but at the start it feels like I do, and then towards the end you just come past every time.
That's just life, mate. It's just life. Anyway, here's the numbers. So then what exactly happened? Well, the BMW won. It completed the standing quarter mile in 11.3 seconds. The Lamborghini took 11.5 seconds. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like. If you want to compare these cars quarter mile times to everything else we've ever drag raced, then just click on the carwow logo to check out the carwow drag race leaderboard. You can watch some other videos by clicking on the windows, and if you've got some ideas of other drag races you'd like us to do, let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.